epoxy?
Oh, thank goodness. Jenny said she heard from Rebel, and Rebel's fine.
Awesome.
Maybe she's just mad at us. I know, Justine, you missed them. Okay, Cameron wants an ink swirl. Where did you see the colors? Did you have them written down?
Yeah, and he also said it.
Huh?
He said it, and
Oh, he did? I didn't see it. Wine, please. Jessica would like some wine. Hi, Doreen. Hi, Shannon. How's everybody doing? The comments are moving so fast. Oh, Kevin, it's going to be amazing. She's going to love it.
That's so creepy. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry you're in pain, Sunita. That's terrible. If you want to see what a peekaboo looks like, tap this video. Tap Grace's face, then tap the words Luscious Leggings. Go to the photo album that's called Tumblers. Okay, scroll until you see the wood grain one that has a fish on it.
1,
That's a peekaboo.
2, or 3.
It's like a two-tone.
1, 2, or 3.
Better 1, better 2, better 3. I think for that one is most turquoise. That's my pick.
1, 2, or 3. Okay, he said 1.
We just wanted to make sure she was okay.
And did he say glitter in the epoxy or no?
Rodney's gonna have a drink.
Have one for me.
Yes, Philip, we can do the 32 ounce
Wow,
Hydro
that's
Sport
a
in a wood grain, absolutely.
Look.
Oh my goodness. Did it go all the way through? Wow. Yeah, you can see a peekaboo tumbler in the photo album on the page. I don't see if you wanted that or not. Okay.
The link doesn't work for you. Message the page, say link, and we'll get you a direct link.
My goodness, Anita got stung by a bee under her toes while she was doing the dishes.
Oh no.
Okay, Philip, try tapping on the link, then tap the word reply right underneath. A lot of times that'll activate it on some devices. If that doesn't work, just message the page and I'll send you one that will 100% work. You can message the page by tapping on Grace's face, then tap the words Luscious Leggings that come up, tap the word message, and just put link. Did you put on the pink swirl you did Thursday night? This one or this one?
No.
Huh?
This one with silver.
This one?
The one with silver we did on Thursday night does have glitter, yes.
Oh, let's let him take a look at it. This is, I think it's this one that you're talking about, right? That does have glitter in the epoxy, yeah.
Good evening, Jennifer. How are you doing today?
All right, Philip, great. Okay, I am going to see who needs the link. I'm sweating already. It took moments.
Okay, then use glitter. Okay, sounds good. Okie dokie. Aw, thank you, Calissa. That's so. Patrick just tried to FaceTime. Patrick just tried to FaceTime. You might need to take him. He needs to stop.
Just open your phone for me. Okay.
You're gonna need to go out there, please.
Yeah.
Or just press audio. Aw, that's so sweet, Kevin. Hers is gorgeous. Cubs scored 47 runs combined the last 3 games. No way, that's crazy. My Houston Texans won today, which is always a good thing. So I was super excited for that. And it was a close game. We won by 1 point. And we almost lost in the last 30 seconds. So
What happened?
the Cubs scored 47 runs combined the last 3 games.
What? No way. Those are not the Cubs of my childhood.
Okay, so Kevin, is it okay if we dominate it with silver and the dominate the cup, having more on the cup? With silver and then the mermaid, is that okay? Because the black's gonna take over.
We don't want that.
Yeah, I saw Green Bay won. Did see that. My friend's a really big Green Bay fan.
Who are they playing? Who is Green Bay playing?
I don't know. That I cannot help you with.
Yeah, it's about the same as the pink one, but with turquoise.
Okay, can you just put it here so I can see it?
Oh, Mariah, you had to say Minnesota Vikings. Now I'm going to be singing Lizzo. That's it. What'd you say?
Can you put that one right here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Sure, I forgot about the phone. Bears and the Broncos are playing.
Okay. So we're gonna start with the black so that it doesn't help.
Yeah, Calissa, we ship anywhere in the U.S. The shipping is included in the price. I did have the prices pinned. I think they're still there. Yes, they are. The prices in the pinned post at the bottom. If you scroll down in the comments, you can see the pinned post. It has all the prices and sizes. The prices do include shipping anywhere in the U.S. We also ship to Canada for a charge. We can give you an estimate on that. It also includes all the inks or glitters or wood grains on your cup. It includes the lid, and then everything has a straw except the wine tumbler and the 24-ounce curved tumbler. Rebel, girl.
Rebel's here?
Oh, she said she definitely felt loved and everything. We're worried about you. Hello, Rebel. Yeah, Justine, she's here. Mariah, don't. I'll never get it out of my head.
What happened?
She said, she said Minnesota Vikings. I said, oh no, I'll never get Lizzo out of my head. So then she sang New Man on the Minnesota Vikings.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, Laura, really? Wow, Bears are winning. Oh, Justine, your Giants lost again?
Oh no.
Yeah, win's a win, right? Okay, I know I missed a bunch of comments when I was taking that phone call, so sorry for any comments that I may have missed. I just put the link to our Etsy page in the comments. If that link isn't working for you, just tap on the link and then hit reply. That should activate it for most devices. If that doesn't work, just message the page. Amanda, that's an alcohol ink swirl. Alcohol ink swirl. The teal is really pretty. That turquoise is very pretty. The colors are gorgeous. Okay, so when you get to the Etsy page, just choose the size tumbler that you want. When you check out, you'll get a text box that allows you to write in text anything you want on your cup. You can give us whatever instructions you want. We also strongly encourage you to message the page and give us the same information. Don't forget that once you order, you need to check every single day. Check the Facebook page to see if you're in the lineup for that night or what night you are in the lineup for. And if you have a conflict, let us know as soon as possible. We'll do our best to accommodate your schedule. Well, lyrics of Truth Hurts on it. Hi, Judy. It's going to be gorgeous, Taylor. Taylor, did you ever decide what decal you wanted on yours? You may have messaged me. I haven't looked. But I'm about to start yours as well. A whole bunch of them I'm going to start now. Yes, Philip. Yeah. We would definitely make it on the live. We would make everything on the live unless you specifically tell us you don't want it made on the live, which during the gift season or other reasons people have, they don't want their things made on the live. Just make sure that you put that in your Etsy text box and then message the page that as well. Okay, Taylor, great. I'll be in touch with you probably in the next day or so. Thank you, Hannah. Grace actually hand paints the wood grains. If you are ordering a wood grain, if you can, let us know if you want it to be a peekaboo. Also, let us know if you want a dark wood grain or a lighter wood grain. Aw, Wendy. I'm sorry you had to go through that. Aren't they fun to watch, Heather? A lot of people like to watch the alcohol inks, the way they swirl themselves together. And the thing is, they keep moving, too.
Kevin, you didn't want pink, right? I had black, silver, and teal.
Oh, I thought there was pink in there, too.
That one's pink.
Oh.
I don't think you want pink.
Okay. Let's let you run your show over there.
Yeah, let me do my bit.
Hi, Anita. How are you? Hello, Elena. Yeah, the wood grains, to me, that's one of my favorite things to watch, are the wood grains. Yeah, a peekaboo, if you go to the Facebook page, so click on this video, click on the words Luscious Leggings, then go to the photo album that has the tumblers in it, and look for the one that has the leaping fish. It's like a bass or something, leaping out of the water. That's a peekaboo wood grain, where it's really like a two-tone wood grain. And there is not an additional charge for that. Just let us know you want a peekaboo wood grain.
Okay, let's see what this does.
Sure, Penny. That's something we could easily do. Hi, Latasha. Hi, Sean. Hi, Melanie.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome, Caitlin. I'm sure there's some people that I didn't get to say hi to, because the comments have been kind of quick tonight, which I love to see. Yeah, we can do all kinds of fish. We do fishing poles, you know, like silhouettes of men fishing or women fishing, whatever. All kinds of fish tumblers.
Kevin, let me know what you think.
Oh, wow, you typed it, didn't you?
I did.
Still, I guess my job was making a little time, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a 12 ounce. It's a good coffee size for me, anyway. Depends on how much coffee you drink, I suppose. If you click on the link and go to our Etsy page, you can see stock photos of all the different sizes and the prices. Remember, the prices include shipping anywhere in the U.S.
It's really cool how some of the silver goes into the black.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, I know, Justine. So on the wood grain, you actually do the grain part. Yes. Yeah, that's exactly right, Rodney. And then the peekaboo is like a two-tone wood grain. Let it run a little more, he says. We're just glad you're okay, Rebel. Yeah, all of them come with a simple decal included in the price, and that decal can be whatever it is you want it to be. I'm so glad you're enjoying it, Caitlin. Thanks, Amanda. No, she doesn't draw. Sean loves it. Sean loves it. Aw, Kevin said, that's good, Grace. She's going to love it. It's really cute.
Sounds good.
I'm here every night.
It's really cool.
It's reversed, Rodney. She's right-handed.
No, it's not.
Well, you're right-handed either way.
I don't know why it would be reversed. That's so weird.
Did you flip it?
Huh.
Then it's reversed. It looks like you're using your left hand. Maybe you weren't using your... No, it's reversed.
Yeah.
It's reversed.
No, I'm right-handed.
It is so pretty. Okay, so the prices are posted in the pinned comment at the bottom, but I'm going to do it, I'm going to post them again right now. Oh, shoot, maybe. In the comments, because not everybody can see that on their device. Now, that price will include whatever color sticker you want and free shipping in the U.S. and a simple decal. So you can look at that list and you can see the price of whatever size you want. You can also go to our Etsy page. I'm going to post that link as well. And there you can see the naked tumblers.
Rebel.
You can see our naked tumblers there. And there'll be a text box when you check out. You can tell us whatever you want on it. You can see the prices. Hi, Cindy. Phillips and Lefty.
Okay, who wants to go next?
Danette, you would just put that you want an alcohol ink swirl, that you want glitter in the epoxy, and then whatever colors you want. Philip, what we do is after your tumbler's made on the live, it's usually about 4 days, 3 to 4 days, depending on the temperature in here and how much glitter's on the cup, before it's ready for decal. The epoxy has to harden 100%. So you won't hear from anybody for about 4 days. Then I will start contacting you, probably after 3 days, to talk about the decal and what you want on it. You can send me information ahead of time. That's fine. But we'll start, really hashing it out at that point. Then after the decal goes on, it'll go back to Grace for some more treatments. Oh, yeah, I didn't have any lefty kids. Kristen's here. I don't know if anybody, Pamela's here.